Attention all Baltimore homeowners. I'm here today to give you some very important information about polybutylene pipes. Did you know they can be dangerous to keep around? You see, polypipe is a plastic pipe that was installed in Baltimore homes between 1978 and 1995. Unfortunately, it was found that the chlorine added to sanitize our drinking water reacts with the polybutylene, making it brittle. This means that all polybutylene pipe will eventually fail. Uh-oh. When this happens, this could lead to water leaks, which could lead to property and furniture damage. Oh no! Unhealthy and unsightly mold damage. Yikes! And even the earth washing away from under sidewalks and driveways, causing them to crack or give way. Help! Not to worry, I know some guys you can call, and here's why you should. Over 95% of their polypipe replacements are trenchless, so all your nice flowers and plants barely get touched. Yay! Also, all their polypipe replacement comes with a 10-year warranty for material and labor, and you get 100% guaranteed satisfaction. Hooray! And finally, for over 20 years, 5-Star Plumbing Service has served the Baltimore, Maryland area and has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Hallelujah! But you gotta call now and take advantage of their early bird special before those polypipes burst. So here's the number. Hurry!